How would you like to make money every single day by simply just using Google Maps? Ayo, what is going on everyone? Devin Knupp here, back at you with a brand new video. And in today's video, we're going to be talking about how to make money off of Google Maps and get people paying you hundreds of dollars every single day and reoccurring monthly payments by just using Google Maps. And so like I said, in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you all the secrets, literally step by step, how to do this. This is a super simple process and it really doesn't take that much work. And what's nice is you get it set up all at once and then you can just keep having these payments come through. And so with this, if you haven't already, smash the like button right now before I jump into today's video, because I'm gonna be showing you literally how to do this. And so I would really appreciate it if you hit the like button. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. And now that we've gotten you that out of the way, we're gonna be jumping inside of my computer and I'm gonna show you how to do this. And what's nice about this strategy is it works literally anywhere. Anywhere in the world, you could just search it up in Google Maps and get people paying you money by simply just using Google Maps, like I said. So like if you want to do somewhere in New York, LA, or UK, wherever it may be, this strategy works. All right, so now jumping inside of my computer, like I said, this works literally anywhere and you can search up anywhere inside of the world. But inside today's video, we're just gonna use, for example, we're gonna use Los Angeles. And so this works for literally any niche. You're gonna have to pick a niche, and whether it be like, let's say gyms or car washes, or whatever it may be, detailers, whatever it could be, chiropractors, dentists, doctors, the list goes on. Just pick one niche, and for this example, we'll use gym. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna search inside of Google Maps, and for this example, we'll do gyms in Los Angeles, California. And so you're gonna search this, and with this, we're actually gonna go switch over to LA because this isn't a good enough example for what I'm looking for. Okay, we're gonna go to gym in LA, and I want you to take note of, you see this little purple icon right here. This is what I was looking for. So they're on top of the list, and it doesn't really matter how far down the list they are. But what we're gonna do is we're gonna find a company, a gym, that's kind of a little bit further down on the page. And I'll explain why in a second. So we're gonna keep going. Maybe we'll go over to the third page. Okay, so let's find one that's kind of not a corporation. Okay, Muscle Mechanics. So you can see this gym right here, Muscle Mechanics. They're on the third page. They're like the 50th option down the list of gym in LA when you search that up. So they're not getting a lot of traffic from Google Maps. And what we want to do is be able to get them more customers and more clients, and it's going to be super simple, and I'm going to show you how to do it. So what we're going to do is take this company in, for example, and we're going to go over to Google Ads. And what we're going to do is click this plus button right here, and we're going to create a new campaign. And so we're going to go over, you can do a lot of different options. We can try to get them more sales, more leads, website traffic, the product and brand consideration, app promotion, brand awareness. And what we're going to do is we're going to do website traffic. We're just trying to get traffic over to their website, check out the gym, and go work out at their gym, basically. And so I'm going to run through this campaign types real quick. You can either get them to record a video, shopping, if we're trying to do that, display ads. But what we're going to be focusing on is search. We're trying to get them in the search traffic. We're trying to get them, you remember that little purple icon I just showed you? We're trying to get them to show up there because they're on top of everybody, no matter how good their SEO is, their search engine optimization. And so we're going to go do a search ad, and then what we're going to do is we're going to take their website, whatever it may be. So we got Muscle Mechanics, and their website is, they don't even have a website. So this is something that's going to be super important. We're going to probably want to help them create a website, but let's say musclemechanics.com. And what you see, there's an opportunity right there. They don't have a website. If you don't have a website in 2019, then you're missing out on a lot of leads, a lot of income that you could be generating. So you're going to hit continue. And this part doesn't really matter, the campaign name. You can change it, whatever it may be. And then we're going to keep it on the search network and the display network. And with this, they're going to show up all over the internet for Los Angeles gyms. And so now what we're going to do is skip dynamic search ads, keep it obviously in the US, but what we're going to do is hit a specific location. So for this example, we're going to do LA, and Los Angeles, California comes up. And so with this, they're going to be able to pop up for anybody in LA. And so we'll just keep English. Obviously, if you can customize it, like put it through Google Translate, and set it up so that way people speak Spanish, you can reach a larger audience and everything. And then on top of this, you can go into audiences and you can set up a very specific audience. So if you're trying to find, like, if this is a very niche gym, these are people that are full-time bodybuilders or people that take it really serious, which it doesn't look like necessarily it is, but if you wanted to, you can target these types of people. So you can specify what audience you're reaching with your advertising. What, for this example, we're going to leave it alone. We're just going to target the area of Los Angeles, California. And then on top of that, we're going to be going for conversions. You can try to do a conversion value or clicks. We're trying to get them conversions on into becoming a member at their gym. And so with this, you can set a target cost, but just leave it alone and Google will kind of figure it out for you. And then we can leave all the rest of this stuff. We don't really need to, we can add a phone number if you want, especially if they don't have a website. Maybe we should set that up, but we should definitely get them set up with a website. And then just to move forward, the budget, you can work with them on what works best for them and what type of traffic they're trying to get. But to keep moving forward, we'll just do $1. And then with this, we can name the ad group, name whatever, and then this is the most important part. Keyword ideas. So it's already given us a couple of keywords, and this is kind of what I was going to do is I would do gyms in LA, and you could do things like gyms in Los Angeles, California. And if it's like a bodybuilding gym and that's their niche, you're trying to get a lot of big guys, a lot of big girls, like people that are really taking this serious, you can be that specific. Or like specifically you can do muscle mechanics or gyms in West LA, whatever it may be. Just add a few of these different keywords, and then whenever people search it in Google, it's going to pop up. You remember that ad that we showed you? That's what's going to pop up for these people. And so we want to get up onto that first page so it's being recommended to a new audience that they don't already have traffic being generated towards. And then what we're going to do is hit save and continue. And then this is where you're going to create the ad. So whatever the URL is, obviously you're going to have to get a website set up with them because they don't already have one set up. That's going to be a lot of money that you can be making for this company because if you don't have a website, like I said. So then the headline, you're going to want to do something like best gym in LA 2019 or whatever it may be, and something that's just kind of popping a little bit. Obviously we don't need to test out all these different headlines. And then on top of that description, come get fit at muscle mechanics or something like this. You can get it set up, whatever kind of fits their sort of relationship inside of their company, what they're trying to work towards, what their morals as far as the business is, and what their goals are trying to achieve when they get clients in the door. So you can figure that out, but this is good enough for right now. And then you're going to save and continue, you get their domain set up and everything like that. And so then we're going to move forward. And then obviously, okay, we got to get a URL set up and everything. musclemechanics.com, whatever their website's going to be. And then, okay, it's not letting us move forward. You can't leave this blank. Come best LA gym in 2019. You guys kind of get the point and everything. And we could switch this maybe muscle mechanics. Okay, this looks better. So we're going to set it up. Save this, and then you can set it up. You can set it up like this is basically just continued campaign, and then once we get it hit continue, it's going to start running, which I'm not going to hit it start running. And so what you're going to do is you can get this set up for a monthly retainer. So you can get people paying you between $1,000 and $10,000 based off of how much you're going to be running, how much effort you're going to be putting into this, into generating traffic. But as you see, you literally just simply set them up on that. And then what you're going to do is pitch this company on saying, hey, I'm going to generate you traffic by setting up these ads and going to get you top ranking on Google Maps. What's nice is you can get a lot of different clients working on this, especially if you niche down. Maybe try to target to some of these different fitness companies, a lot of these different gyms in LA or wherever you're trying to search. What's nice is you can do this all remotely. You don't have to physically be out there, and you can get this set up. And then what you're going to do is either get them on the phone, shoot them an email, try to contact them in every way, get a hold of the owner of this company, of Muscle Mechanics, get them on the phone and try to get them set up on a monthly retainer of where they are paying you to be able to set this up. You can run a free trial if you want. Maybe for the first month you get this set up so that way you can just start proving them that you can get them results. But I really recommend that you just get them set up right away on some sort of deal where they're paying you between $1,000 and $10,000 a month for you setting up the services. And so if you do the math, if you charge $10,000 for the service, or you get a few different clients building up to $10,000, which is super simple to be able to get multiple clients, you could be making $300 plus every single day by implementing this strategy. They're going to be getting a lot more traffic to their business. They're going to be generating more revenue as a company. And then on top of that, you're going to get paid for bringing them this traffic, bringing them these sales, people that are giving them money into their gym. So it's going to be able to build up this gym. And like I said, you can do this anywhere and you can get it set up like super simple. As you saw, it doesn't take that much time. And why would someone pay you to be able to do this? Is because a lot of people don't know how to make money off the internet. They don't know how to generate traffic. And what they're doing is they're paying for you to do it for them as a service. And so this is a legitimate business. And what's nice is you can easily scale this to 10K a month plus. I've personally made money doing this, and it's been able to kind of just supplement my income. And like I said, if you're not making anything and you can just get this monthly residual, what's nice is you're getting paid every single month for doing this, and you can have them as a client for a long time if you just keep providing them leads. And so anyways, that's how you make money off of Google Maps. It's a super simple strategy, and if you just go out there and just keep trying it, you're going to be able to get clients and be able to get paid doing this. This is also known as social media marketing, which you can do Facebook ads, other sorts of ways and whatnot. But if you can get them PPC traffic through Google, that's already people searching up gyms in LA and everything, gyms near me, then this is going to be a great way to be able to get them more traffic and get more people to the gym, and take maybe some of the money away from like LA Fitness or Gold's Gym over to this local company, because they're a local company for a lot of these people that want to go show up. People are signing up for the gym anyways, and what's nice is the client is worth a lot to them because they're going to sign up for a monthly subscription and going to be with them for a while if they have a good setup there and everything. So anyways, that's what I got for everybody. If you enjoyed today's video, subscribe to the channel below. We're blowing this up, and I upload every day about how to make money online, how to make money very quickly in real estate, online, whatever it may be. I talk about a lot of different stuff on this channel, so maybe check out some of my other videos. But anyways, that's what I got. So hope you all enjoyed it. Like always, I'm uploading every day. So I will see you all tomorrow. Peace.